Stompers horn show for you. Alright, so we're in South Zanesville. What we're looking at is the South Zanesville Fire Department, and right up there is a Sentry 3V8H tornado siren, civil defense siren, mechanical. And let's wait for the train. That's a Safe Train electronic bell with Safe Train fade in, fade out LEDs. Probably installed sometime in the early 1990s or 2000 or 2001. Replaced the crossbucks that used to be along South Zanesville. All right, here come the helpers, 3339 and 4099. 4099 ran Longwood forward, eastbound on the Newark division of the B&O from Newark into Zanesville. SD40 3339, SD40S2, and GE 4099. There he goes, on south to New Lexington. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to NS Steampunk, reporting live in South Zanesville. Tower 93 over and out.